Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I use this opportunity to welcome you all wherever you are watching from. I want to, like I promised, that I was going to bring you a short video explaining all the features we have on Oconnect. So this is a special day, and I don't want to waste much of your time, so you don't waste your data. Also, data is good in Nigeria. So, and first of all, I will start with the first feature. Well, before I go there, my name is Kingsley Nguchukwu. So, the first feature by the left, I'm already sharing my screen. I hope you can see it. By the left is presentation. You can see the presentation box is asking you to choose any file of your choice, be it images, PDF, text file, Word document. If it's not there, if the file is not there, you can upload. But it's like I have one file here. You can see one document file. Once you click on it, it will come here and by the left, and you start presenting whatever you want to present. But I will not use it now because it's going to disrupt the screen sharing. So now number two is whiteboard. The whiteboard is like the presentation. It will come out in in plain white. It's like a board, as the name implies, whiteboard. So you can write whatever you want to write on it. If it's an extra point you want the audience to know about or whatever, you can draw, you can do whatever, you can upload more files on it. And we have the video. Video, you can decide to upload the video from your system, something that is related to your lecture, to your presentation. You want the people to see more, to know more of what you are talking about, or if you say music, whatever, you put it, you upload it, and the people will view it. Generally, this place is link. If it's a YouTube video, you can type the link here and play it. It will play automatically. I'm not going to do all that because you have it in your own ecosystem where you can use it also. So you can play with it, play with the features. Now this is a poll. Poll is just is something that has to do with, let me say, will I call it a survey? A poll uh, is uh, maybe you want the people to give you feedback on certain issues. For instance, if it's concerning the just concluded election in Nigeria, so you can just make it like that. You just concluded the election and you ask, for instance, this is it, poll name, outcome of election. I don't want to waste more time. So question is, how do you see the election? Number one, free and fair. Number two, not free and fair. So whatever thing. So you create it and it will pop up in the face of the people, and there and then they will start. People will start, you know, clicking, or they will start answering or giving you feedback if the election was free and fair or not. So there you will see it, and we have. So that is where you now get your results on people's opinion concerning the election. Now after that we have questions. In every webinar there's always uh, provision for question. I don't want to do it because it will disrupt the screen sharing. There are some features that don't work with screen sharing. So this is call to action. Call to action is a provision that you make where people know when you are doing marketing or adverts, there's always call to action. You're calling people to take action. to take action concerning what they've seen, whether they want to buy a product or not. Then this is push a link. Push a link is also, of course, as they have decided to buy a product, what next? You push a link to them in the webinar. They will be clicking the link, for instance, register to Oconnect, and you say publish. You put your link, and as you are conducting the seminar, maybe you are a marketer and you want people to register, not the one of other platform will tell you, wait when we finish, we will give you a link. You send it to WhatsApp, you send it on this one. Immediately here, they are registering. They are clicking, see the link is open to everybody for everybody to see. So it's instant and it's good for marketers, for affiliates, marketers, anybody once you are into business. So let me close it. Now we have the chat. The chat area is always by the right. Once you click on it, you see the chat. It will that is where participants in the webinar, as we are here at we are many, people can be chatting there and others will be responding also. Now this is recording. I'm recording now. I press it, it will be recording. Once I click again now, it will stop recording. That is the recording button. This is the screen sharing button. Screen sharing button. See, once you click on it now, it will stop sharing. I'm already screen sharing, so I cannot click on it. This is microphone. If you want to mute everybody, maybe you have meeting and some persons are making noise, you can mute them by clicking this mic. You can also mute yourself by clicking on it anyway. So it is to close the microphone. This one is video, is the same thing. Video camera. You want to stop the camera, you don't want people to see you, but you want to be talking. You can click on here. This is add attendee. If you want to add some persons using their email, or you can, or maybe they are part of your ecosystem. You see many of them here. You can add them from here. Anyone you want to add, you add them from here. You click on the contact. See, you say invite. Oconnect is going to send them message to invite them to the webinar. This is AI VBG. VBG means virtual background. Yes, instead of this cutting to be showing now, maybe I don't want the background. I can use virtual background. It will be displaying beneath. See, while I'm having my webinar, it will not show my physical background. Now, this is team. Now, I want to change my team. See, we have wonderful teams, as you can see. I've changed my team. So beautiful. This is the season. Yeah, season of Christmas. So you use depend on the webinar you're having. Your webinar will dictate your tone, the theme you will use. So this is background sound. You can use anyone, as you are. Even before the webinar, you just want sound. All is nice. You just be able to after the webinar, or even in between the webinar, during the time of break, even as you're speaking, the volume can be low, like the background, as we call it, background music. Okay? The background sound. In the way you want to use it. Let me close it. Now the next in line is prompter. Prompter is what they use. They use it mainly on TV stations, on broadcast media, where the newscaster will be watching the screen and will be casting news. You would think the person is speaking from the head, but you don't know that he's looking at the script. The script is on the screen, but the audience cannot see it. So here too, you can use a prompter give give a speech. You can use it when you are training people or you're presenting something. You can just jot your points on the prompter cannot see it. Only you can see it. But I don't know. You may be seeing it now because of the screen share, but all the same, it's not meant to be seen. Now let me close it. And after that, we have the timer. You can decide to time the speakers. Maybe you want to give each speaker 10 minutes to speak. Once they exhaust that time, the microphone will block that person. You see? So and it makes them to be time conscious and time to be disciplined with time. So and the next one we have calculator because sometimes might be having meeting and there's need to say, please can someone help me calculate the amount of dollar now? It's okay, 1,000 blah blah blah. You know, you want to quickly calculate something and you times it, you multiply whatever. So this is your calculator. Now you have a screen capture. Once you click on it, it will capture a particular moment on that session. As I'm presenting now, you can click on it and it will capture the screen. See, to capture it and save it on the system. So that is how it works. Uh, the next one is emoji. This is emoji. As you're presenting, you can use any emoji and it will be displaying. You can see it will be displaying, popping up and all that. That's the screen capture I did. So, and we have the sound. The sound depending on the meeting. If you need applause, see applause depending on what is happening. If it's a jubilation time, you know, different resounds that you can use. And this is start screaming. This has to do with YouTube. You want to stream live. You are presenting now. You want to stream live. You want it to be on your YouTube. As people, those who cannot come here can go to your YouTube and be watching the same thing here. See, that is live streaming. If you have a YouTube channel, you can be live streaming to your YouTube. Your video here will be showing on your YouTube channel. Now, this is ticker. Ticker is it could be an added information, an added information. It could be the theme of what you are discussing. Now, I'm talking about features of Oconnect. See, it's moving. So it will be scrolling, you know, going and coming. So that is what ticker is all about. So, and the last one here is end meeting. You are done with the meeting, you can end it, and that is it for that. So now I'm through. I'm through with. I'm through with the presentation. So I'm going to stop recording now. I'm going to stop recording and click on it. Now I'm going to let me stop sharing. Yeah, I've stopped sharing. So that is it for that. So on that note, I'm going to end today's brief tutorial on the features of Oconnect. So I want you to also go there and use your own Oconnect and see how it is. Most people just they have it, but they don't use it. How will you? So use these latest technologies and make your business better. Or even not, you must not be a company. It must not be a company. Individuals can use it. So use it. See how can enhance your, your business and improve on whatever you're doing. Add more glamour to it. So, on that note, I'm doing the cutting for today's tutorial video. Thank you very much. As always, I remain my humble self, Kingsley Emezuwe. God bless you. Until we meet again next time. Take care of yourself.